Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai crispy egg salad or spicy fried egg salad you can say. This is one of my favorite Thai egg dish, crunchy egg salad. In Thailand, this wonderful and delicious dish is known as Yam Khai Dao. This colorful and crunchy delicious fried egg dish gets its flavor from a dressing that is made from fish sauce, lemon juice, and brown sugar. First, start by making the dressing. First, we make the onion to be sliced. And then for the tomato, we remove the seed inside and slice as well. For the fried egg, crack egg into a small bowl. Heat a wok or non-stick frying pan over high heat, then add just enough oil to reach a depth of the egg. Once the oil beginning hot, and then carefully to crack the egg into the oil and fry it. Increase the heat to medium. The egg should split, bubble, and crack widely. Keep cooking until the bottom is golden brown and the yolk is set. And then flip them to another side to make all is golden brown. Transfer the egg to paper towel to drain the oil. And then continue fry the other eggs. This recipe is very quick and easy to make it. It's light but very tasty and use very simple ingredients. You can vary this recipe by using duck or other eggs and even by use boiled egg if you want a healthy version. Now slice the egg into the bite-sized pieces and don't make it too small. It's like 4 or 6 pieces per one. and then chop or slice the chili. This one you can add a little bit or more as you prefer. And the last one is cilantro, or you can add celery too. In a mixing bowl, we add the lemon juice 4 tablespoons. Add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. So for this recipe of the sauce is so delicious, you can use for other salad too. Then add about half tablespoon of the brown sugar. And then mix everything together until the sugar is dissolved. Add the chili, and then you can taste a little bit and adjust some taste as you prefer. So after the taste is good, and then we add the onion and also the tomato slice, which has had the seed removed. And the last one is the fried egg. And then stir gently but well. The last one, add the cilantro or celery, and then stir well. And now the fried egg is already absorbed the salad sauce. It's so delicious. And then we need to transfer to the plate. Gentle transfer fried egg to a served plate and put everything over the egg and serve immediately with the cooked jasmine rice on the side. That's finished now. We hope you enjoy this light and tasty spicy egg salad recipe, and let us know in the comment what you think. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube channel and my Facebook, and see you next time.